Yeah, it's your motherfucking Haitian sensation. You're back with that motherfucking motivation and inspiration. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you something. See, let me tell you. It was this movie I watched, right? This movie, it had this pimp in there. He said, listen, when I get a bitch, I keep a bitch. You know what I'm saying? See, here it goes. With me, when I take a spiritualist client, it's like this. When I get a client, I keep a client, you know what I'm saying? So let me tell you something. A lot of you guys out here is putting that whack-ass workout, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get your little rose petals, y'all put it around the wax image and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? And you say, wow, voila, I did a powerful love spell for you. Fucker, that's why you guys are losing business, and that's why my chain is long, and that's why my motherfucking ring is dipped out with motherfucking diamonds, yo. Y'all don't like me because I'm loud and motherfucking outspoken. I'm keeping it real. See, a lot of y'all guys, the reason why you're not living the life that I'm living, you know what I'm saying? My girl got a big booty. She got a cute face to make food for me all the time, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm doing what needs to be done. You know what I'm saying? I'm laying this motherfucking work down and getting it out here. And the reason why I'm getting it is because I realize if you're doing love work, you got to put some fucking power in that shit. You got to put some fucking bun into that shit. You got to get a fucking, you know what I'm saying, 4 point like gonflé. The arms got to be stiff. See, a lot of y'all guys don't understand. It's all in the recipe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all motherfuckers, see, 2 niggas can do the same candle work. 2 niggas can do the same honey jar. It's all about the fucking recipe. Oh, I did a honey jar before. No, motherfucker, you didn't do a honey jar, because if you did the honey jar right, you wouldn't be coming to a motherfucker like me. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the recipe. See, a lot of y'all guys doing love work, but you know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, your shit is whack. It's weak. You know what I'm saying? You need to come to motherfucking Haitians with that motherfucking Haitian shit. Siwo miel, poyet di. You know what I'm saying?